Hello, this is Ivan from Loquiz, and today we're going to see Loquiz from the perspective of a player. Because before creating a game, it's important to know how does the player start a Loquiz game. First of all, here's the platform. The platform looks like this when you start a new account, and by the way, you have 2 week free trial available if you register for free. So from the platform you can see that you can download the app Loquiz, and you can see that Loquiz is available on both platforms, Android and iOS. And what we do from the Loquiz side, we ensure that both platforms, both apps are equivalent, that they have the same features and they show the games in the same way, that there is no difference from one to another. So let's start with one game example. This one, the demo adventure by Loquiz. Each game has a username, password, or it has a QR code. And as the player, we can just scan the QR code. So I'm going to show you how does it look like. So I'm going to scan the QR code like this. And here we have the game that was made there. And they have an intro text. They enter their name. And the game starts. So here the game downloads. And when the game is downloaded from now, they can play offline. Or they can play in places where the network is a bit unstable. And unless you have YouTube videos. And this offline capability allows the platform to be stable. So you see all of this, you can edit this, and that's something we are going to see later. So here the playground. The playground is like a picture in which you add button. That can be something interactive for the player. There's the list, so the player see a list of items, of tasks that they can open. And if I tap here, we're going to have the map. The map is like this. So in this case, it's more like an indoor game, but the map will, of course, be used mostly for outdoor games, as it has the GPS capabilities. So that's how it looks like from the player, and keep this in mind when you develop the game. Let's quickly see how does it look like from the game settings. So the whole game logic is here. And we have the playground here, where we could add the items as button, because we shows here how should it appear. And we also have the map here, where we could put the icons here. That's something we're going to develop further later in the Loquiz Academy. Now we are going to save, exit, and the game is ready. You have the QR code here, but please note that you can also start the game. The player can also start the game using the username and password. As you can see, it's randomly generated. You can have something that's a bit more aesthetic. To do this, let's go back to the game, configuration, and go to play. From play, you can change the username. For example, we can call it Demo Academy and put whatever password you want. Let's put 123 and we save. And here we have the username and password. Let's try it from my device. As you can see, there's the username and password. Demo Academy and 123. And as you can see, we went back to the same game. So this is how it feels like for the player. And there are many videos incoming for the Loquiz Academy. So I hope that you will have fun learning how to use Loquiz.